All 26 newly elected MSAs of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council took the oath on Monday in presence of Governor of Assam, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, at the oath-taking ceremony held at Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. The general election of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for 26 constituencies was conducted on 8 June and the result was declared on 12 June. The oath-taking ceremony was held on 20 June for all the elected members. The oath was taken yesterday in presence of Governor of Assam, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, Dibakar Nath, and many important dignitaries. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, who returned to power in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council with his stunning election victory, started off the oath and is followed by his colleagues.
Tuliram Ronghang, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Indonesia. Our nama pen sa meetings. Umili arong pen kasing tan Indian arong. Mate Indian a constitution apan ninga klong pen. Toy ponpo. Lapen nili pan nampeklen toy Al-Quran nili a hok peten len ponpo arong.
Nili.
Among sintiso Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council idot kan baikan abang tu ornament pen
emergency really around pen kisah kan
India around mate Indian constitution apa ninga
They sworn to abide by the Constitution of India and also dedicate their duties for the welfare of the society. Longsodar into report from Deephu, Karbi Anglong Live.